It's very hot day today, guys. They already renovate. This is the one before. Oh, that's I don't know. There's construction everywhere. What is this? This is the Needs Balot Needs Balot restaurant. VIP Orange 5 Music Lounge. Yeah. Oh, yan Sapgyupsal. It's a restaurant. Oh, this one is a Japanese snack bar. Japanese. It's another one bar. LV. That's the Red Planet across.
Yeah, it has this magic. I can get the thing down.
This is the Imperial House of Wine. Fumes Cafe. Okay. Yeah. So all the bars here, they are open though, even though they have construction in front of this bar, but they still open. No, that's the Family Kitty Way. Music 21. So this is Mabini Street, guys. Mabini Street here in Malate. Uncle John's, before it was Mini Stop. They changed it to Uncle John's. This one, Girlfriend Music Lounge. Girlfriend Music Lounge. Of course, it has the bars also. There's money changer right there. Crown Royal. Nice. This one is a seafood restaurant. This one is a Jeva KTV.
They changed it casino.
Ah.
So they changed the casino.
This one is a Pink Lady Bar and another one Miyuki's Angel KTV Bar. Massage, they have massage here. They don't put the price. It's probably inside. It's called Marina Spa, Hotel and Service Massage. And this is the casino. They changed the name.
Yeah, I don't see the new name. Oh, it's over there.
It's
Lavia.
a Lavi.
Lavia Resort. No, Lavia. Resort and Casino.
No, it's Lavi.
No?
Yeah, the way we already here is Lavi. Lavi Resort and Casino. It was the Filipino casino before. They changed the name. I don't know if that they changed the management or just the name. But this one, it was New World Hotel also. Now the hotel, they changed the name. They changed the New Coast Hotel. And this is the Executive Hotel. Across to the casino.
On the right.
There's horses that you can ride. Just be careful when you ride with them. They always change the price.
No.
You need to make sure the price first before you ride this horse.
Yeah, horses, taxis, anything.
Yeah.
Come with an agreement before you get in. Especially these horses, like you said, because these are only for the tourists. So the locals are not really going to ride. They only ride when there's some tourist with them, like a
Yep.
foreigner with them. Otherwise, they're not going to ride. See the sun gone down? Go to better?
Yeah.